Hello, Glanbia Nutritionals. In honor of Men's Health Month, wanted to give my tip to staying fit and healthy. Just finishing up a lunchtime workout here, and I'm thinking about a trip I took with a customer who owns a large sports nutrition company, and I was talking to him about fitness goals, and he challenged me to go 30 days with eating only 20 grams of sugar a day, which I thought, oh, no problem. I'm not eating much sugar now. That should be pretty easy. But boy, was I wrong. And what I really found is once I started tracking my food, as much as I thought I did, I had no idea what I was actually putting into my body every day. So my tip to everyone is to just get in the habit of keeping track of what you eat. And it's a lot easier these days with apps and the computer.
Hey, this is Corbin Hull with Twin Falls R&D. Glanbia Nutritionals. I just wanted to share some thoughts on the changes we had to make and I had to make dealing with Covid19 restrictions during the pandemic. Pre-pandemic, I was a daily gym goer, loved to lift weights, and then the pandemic hit. And so the adjustment we had to make was we took our dogs and we extended their walks to double they would normally do, and we try to get up to the White Clouds and the Sawtooths about an hour and a half north of us every weekend and go on extended periods of hiking and walking and exploring, just in a way to kind of adapt to the changes COVID brought to restrictions at the gym.
Men's health for me means exercise, smart nutrition, intellectual, spiritual thought, practice with some measure of discipline, some kindness, and a lot of humor. The trick is actually being able to do it. And on a good day, I probably can hit one of those. Today, it's exercise.
Hi everybody, Will Costello here from Glanbia Nutritionals. I've got a couple of fitness tips for you today. First and foremost is nutrition. I start my day with 2 hard-boiled eggs and a nice glass of milk to support the dairy industry. But I only eat 1 yolk, and I'll tell you why in a minute. The second thing is always have a workout buddy. It helps with the motivation when you just can't get going in the morning. I'm right now taking care of my son's dog, and he's my buddy to help motivate me to work out. Come here, Otis. Come here, boy. And this is what the other part of the treat is for. Sit, sit. Good boy. That's it. Thanks, everybody. Take care.